This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing either Android Studio Emulator or a user-friendly option like BlueStacks. Pick based on your system resources. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS so emulation runs smoothly and with less lag. Next, download the APK file or sign in to Google Play within the emulator to access apps. You want to be ready to launch the app immediately, so make sure storage permissions are granted and antivirus isn't blocking installations. Now configure the emulator for the app. Allocate CPU cores and RAM. 2 cores and 4 GB is a good baseline, so the app won't stutter. Once configured, adjust display scaling and map controls to the keyboard and mouse. This makes navigation natural and precise. Then import the APK or open the app from the Virtual Play Store and grant app permissions like storage or microphone. Doing this ensures smooth interaction and accurate behavior that mirrors a real. Finish by testing all app features and monitoring performance. If the experience is sluggish, tweak the emulator's RAM, CPU, or graphics settings. If the app crashes or won't open, clear the emulator cache, reinstall the APK, or try a different emulator build. Make sure virtualization is still enabled, update your GPU drivers, and free disk space to avoid I/O bottlenecks. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the emulator after changes. Often that resolves lingering permission or resource conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.